Good evening, or never mind, good morning. Um, today, yeah, you can see up my head. Cool. Today I'm going to be playing "Leaning on the Everlasting Arms." This is words by Elisha A. Hoffman, music by Anthony J. Showalter. That is a cool name. Um, poorly played by yours truly, President Minifridge Fruge. Um, Yeah, if you know where that nickname came from, you know. If not, I'm not going to explain. It takes too long. Um, okay, and without further ado, I'm going to continue with this. I hope you enjoy it. If you never heard this song, I hope you really do enjoy it. It's been one that helped me through some hard times. It's a really good old hymn. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning, leaning on the everlasting arms. Oh, how sweet to walk in this pilgrim way, leaning on the everlasting arms. Oh, how bright the path grows from day to day, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on the everlasting arms. What have I to dread? What have I to fear? Leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessed peace with my Lord so near. Leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning on Jesus, leaning on Jesus, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on Jesus, leaning on Jesus, leaning on the everlasting arms. I probably wouldn't sing in key, but I'll work on that next time.